Today, we do another drainage project. April and May have so many drainage projects because of wet seasons. We are in Berkley, Michigan. So originally this client had a home with a downspout that ran from the corner downspout, which is completely incorrect, towards here, caused a lot of puddling and simultaneously caused their entire backyard to be very wet. They also had one drain from the front that ran to the back, which was counterintuitive because it's moving water uphill. So today, in this short video, I'll just describe to you what we did. I'll use some photos too to help you visualize what happened prior to and what it looks like now. But there were some pads here that we had originally that were concrete pads. We removed those because the pitch of all of them was pitching towards the basement. Eventually, this homeowner is going to convert this home that they live in into a rental property, so they didn't want to have much maintenance for the renters. We pitched all this dirt here where we have the seed and straw. We dug a huge trench. I'll show a photo of that. And we dug the trench all the way out to here where we have our pop-up drain. So that's one area that we worked on. And then I'll show you guys the front. But a little backstory, the client found us via Google last week, and I was able to get them on the schedule relatively early this week with a little bit of pause in some of our larger projects for permits and inspections. So this worked out well. I'm walking to the other side of the home where we did the other drain. We did our other drain here in the front. I'll show you guys that. That is this pop-up here. This is about a 40-foot drain, and we also did some grading here. Let me show you that. So we did a drain from here all the way down to the front that I just showed you. We fixed the pitch here because it was pretty negative, meaning that it was going towards the foundation. Fixed the pitch so it runs off and ideally runs towards the front street. But also we capped the original drain that was back there that went that way because it was unnecessary and it was not functioning. Standing water was getting stuck between the let out area and the actual capture of the water, and it just was not a good idea. So swap that out, new French drain. So today we did 2 French drains, a little bit of grading on both the front and the back of the house, again with the intention to keep water away from the foundation to eliminate standing water, and it turned out well, guys. So another project from Odd Jobs. If you love these videos, do me a huge favor, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.